Today we're unboxing a gaming beast that's changing the game, literally. This is the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus, and it's packing a flagship 2K display, Snapdragon's top-tier chip, 144 FPS gaming, and a massive 6,800 mAh battery with blazing fast 120-watt charging. But is it really the best performance phone in its class? Stay tuned as we dive deep into the design, performance, battery, and real gaming tests you don't want to miss. From unboxing to benchmarks, we've got it all covered, so buckle up and let's see if the Neo 10 Plus lives up to the hype. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Now, let's dive into the unboxing. This year, iQOO's slimmer box packs more power, featuring an upgraded 120-watt charger and a compact high-power USB-C cable that's even capable of charging laptops. Also included is a premium silicone case with a sleek exterior and textured fabric-like interior for added grip and protection. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus debuts a bold new super pixel color, featuring 312 shimmering blue pixels that cover the entire back panel, creating a glowing, eye-catching effect that hints at its powerful gaming performance. Flipping to the front, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus features a stunning 6.82-inch 2K display using flagship Q10 luminescent material, making it the only phone in its price range with a 2K screen. This video is just our first impression. Stay tuned for the detailed review coming soon. Make sure to subscribe and join our tech community to catch it first. Now, let's dive into performance, the heart of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus. Powered by Qualcomm's flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite and its own eSports Q2 chip, it stands as the only dual-star Snapdragon 8 Elite device in its class. In gaming tests like Honor of Kings, even with live streaming enabled, the Neo 10 Pro Plus maintains a stable 120 FPS with minimal frame drops. A key metric here is the 1% low frame rate, which highlights brief stutters during gameplay. Thanks to the Neo 10 Pro Plus, these dips are nearly eliminated, ensuring a smooth and consistent gaming experience. Now for a true test, open-world gaming. In Genshin Impact's Sumeru City, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus delivered an average frame rate of 59.9 FPS with a 1% low of 45.4 FPS. While there were minor dips early on, performance quickly stabilized, resulting in smooth, stutter-free gameplay. Simply put, the Neo 10 Pro Plus handles demanding titles with ease. We haven't even touched on the Q2 eSports chip yet, one of the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus' biggest highlights. In PUBG Mobile, it supports an exclusive combo of 2K resolution and 144 FPS, delivering ultra-crisp visuals and silky smooth gameplay. In our test on the classic island map, using smooth 90 FPS settings and enabling super high quality, the phone achieved an impressive average of 143.8 FPS, consistently stable throughout. Thanks to VAA anti-flicker tech, distant enemies and buildings appear sharper with reduced edge flicker. And it's not just PUBG. The Neo 10 Pro Plus is optimized for many top titles, making it a serious contender for mobile gamers. Don't miss out on my latest review of the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VII, Sony's newest flagship smartphone. I've just uploaded the video, so make sure to check it out for an in-depth look at its standout features and performance. Now let's talk battery. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro packs a slim yet powerful 6,800 mAh Blue Ocean battery, offering impressive endurance, even during power-hungry live streaming sessions. Paired with 120-watt ultra-fast charging, it hits 20% in just 5 minutes and reaches 88% in 30 minutes, with a full charge in 35. While it may not eliminate battery anxiety entirely, it certainly makes it a thing of the past. The iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus starts at 2,799 yuan in China, approximately 291 pounds in the UK, and $388 in the US. In conclusion, the iQOO Neo 10 Pro Plus stands out with its bold, gaming-inspired design, flagship-level 2K display, and top-tier performance, whether you're live streaming Honor of Kings or pushing 144 FPS in PUBG Mobile. Combined with fast charging and long battery life, it delivers a truly immersive and worry-free gaming experience. A powerhouse built for serious players. It's well worth it. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech content. Also, don't forget to follow us on X for the latest updates and insights from the world of technology. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day, keep smiling, and I'll catch you in the next one.